In this tutorial, I will show you how to make these cute DHOLKI keychains. Grab a piece of velvet fabric. Measure this 14 centimeters by 9 centimeters. Fold this in half. Stitch the top. Fill this in with polyester fiber. Stitch the top and bottom and then squeeze. Grab a piece of felt and foam tape. Trace a circle using a bottle cap. Stick the foam tape to the felt. Then glue these onto both sides. Now it's time for the fun part.
Decorating.
Grab some yarn. I used multicolored yarn, but you can use any. Start stitching this on in a zigzag pattern. Keep going till it looks like this. Now we will stitch in a zigzag pattern, crossing it like this. Put some pieces of yarn together and glue it to one side. Now glue on these braided decor pieces on the other side. I linked a video about how you can make these in the comments so you can watch it there. Finally, grab some super glue and some colorful mini pom-poms. Start gluing these along each line in a zigzag pattern. Attach a keychain to the top and you're done. I made shorts of this, as well, which I have linked in the comments so you can watch it there. You can even turn it into a hairband.
Thanks for watching.